Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learn and Feel Confident. My name is Shaveta Malhotra. In the previous video we have covered the few features of Java like simple, platform independent and object oriented. You can refer the previous video and link is shared in the description box. So let's get started. So the next feature of Java is the secure. Since the no explicit pointer concept is available in Java, resulting we can't access the memory location and make the changes directly over there, which makes the Java language more secure. Another main reason of the Java security is bytecode verifier. If you compile the code and get the bytecode, and if you are trying to make the changes in that bytecode, the interpreter will not execute that bytecode. The reason being because in the JVM there is one component that is bytecode verifier. So before execution of the bytecode verifiers will check the bytecode whether it is virus free or not. If there is no issue in the bytecode, then only the interpreter will execute the bytecode. Another reason is exception handling. So Java has error handling feature and doesn't allow the user to execute the program until all the errors are fixed. So Java programs are executed in the virtual machine, which provides an extra layer of security. All these are the main reason which makes the Java more secure language. Next is portable. We may carry the Java bytecode to any platform. What does it mean? If let's suppose you have compiled the code in the Windows operating system and you get the bytecode, and that bytecode you can execute on the Mac operating system. Next is the high performance. In other languages like PHP, if we want to speed up the execution of a program, we may require to install the additional cache plugins. But in Java, due to JIT component, JIT stands for just-in-time compiler, which is available in JVM, provides the high performance. Java is strong due to strong memory management. If let's say you want to store the decimal type value in integer type variable, that is not possible. We can't directly store those values in integer type variable in Java. So we will discuss all these things in upcoming videos. Exception handling concept is there. Garbage collection concept is there. So garbage collection concept which automatically deallocate the memory from unused objects. So the developer, they don't need to worry about the memory allocation errors or the pointers concepts. Unlike C or C++, Java's architecture is neutral. So let's discuss how. Let's suppose we have source code of C file. So in C, if you want to compile on the different operating systems, we require these specific compilers. We require the separate compiler for the Windows, for the Linux and the Mac operating system. But in case of Java, we can compile the Java source code on the one single compiler. There is no separate compiler is required for each and every operating system. So that's how the Java architecture is neutral.